Hello and welcome to a new EasyDigitals.com video tutorial. Remember, you can get all of our high-quality Photoshop and Photoshop Elements templates at EasyDigitals.com. Just click on the Products button. And don't forget to sign up for our monthly newsletter. We give away free templates and tutorials each and every month, along with product update info and coupons. Okay, Kim, what easy tutorial are you going to show us today?
Today I'm going to show you how to customize the ProLines set in Elements. So I'm going to come up here to File and Open. I'm going to choose my template, View, Fit on Screen. I'm going to go ahead and open up the images that I'm going to add to it. We'll start with this one. I'm going to come over to my template and I'm just going to come down to where it says Your Photo here, and I'm just going to drag my photo in. Now it's coming in small. Yours may end up being bigger because you'll probably have a higher resolution photo, but this is a low resolution photo. So basically I'm just going to drag out the side and get the photo in place and how I like it, and you can press your arrow keys, and then I'm just going to press enter. I'm going to go ahead and open up my next file, my next photo. I'm going to come over to my template where it says Small Pic Vert. This is the layer that's going to go in, and there's also, if you have a horizontal sized picture, you can just turn that layer on. But for right now I'm doing the vertical picture, and I'm going to drag my photo in, and I want my photo to go right above my layer, and I'm going to bring it over, and then you can also come up here and you get this little curved arrow and you can just rotate it, and you just want to make sure it covers this frame, and then press enter. While I'm highlighting that layer, I'm going to come over to Layer and then Group with Previous, and that is going to clip the photo to that frame. If you want to, with these frames, you can rotate them and do whatever you want, move them around. Okay, so now I'm going to customize the rest of it with my accent color. So I have my photo highlighted, and I'm going to just click in this box and choose a color in the photo. Decide what color I want to use for my accent color, and let's say I chose this color, and I'm going to come down here and highlight it and press Control-C to copy that color, and then I'm going to click OK. This gradient fill layer that is clipped to this main font is what is making the color. So I'm going to double click on that, and I'm going to click inside there. It brings up this box, and I'm basically going to click in here, click here, and then Control V to paste my color in. And that's basically what I need to do with all of them. So I'm going to come down here to my year, my gradient fill, double click, Control V, OK, OK, OK. So I've got my two gradients done. This is a shape right here, so I'm going to click on it right here. So I'm going to double click it, Control V, OK. Okay, so for this line right over here, I'm going to double click this color fill, highlight that, and put Control V. And for the name, it has an FX. Double click it, and this dialog box comes up, and I click here and I put in Control V, and I guess I didn't get it changed. Double click, Control V, OK, OK, and then the number, same thing, Control V. So once you get the template set up, let's say you have a whole team, once you get it set up with the right color, then it's pretty easy to just drag and drop all the pictures in that you need. And you've got your color set up, and you can even save it with this color and reuse it for red if you need it later. So now we have our colors all set up, and then you just have to go in and customize the name. So I'm clicking on this letter, I'm going to come up here, Sarah. So basically you just change the name the same way, but in all cases. You can make this larger by increasing the size. Put 100 in here. And there's also two fonts that you can use. So if you decide you wanted this font, it's the same way to change it. Okay, so now that we've got it pretty much set up the way you want it, I just want to go over a little detail work here. Let's say that you want to change the location of this text. Basically, if you move it, it's going to lose its gradient. And I just want to show you pretty much every situation is the same how to fix that. Let's say you moved it for some reason to a different spot, or you moved it over here. Basically, you double click and click into your gradient, and you're just going to slide these around, and that is how it moves your gradient. And you just have to keep playing with it until you get it right. So basically that's how that works. And that's all there is to it. Enjoy the template.